Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set notifications on the Google Sheets. So if you have a shared spreadsheet or this spreadsheet is used by a multiple user, you can set notifications so there will be a notif when any changes made on the Google Sheet. So what you need to do here is just go to the tools. There will be this notification settings. Now you can just tap on edit notifications. So what you need to do is set the rule or set the notification rule. For example, in here I'm going to go notify me at my email when any changes are made, and notify me with email. I'm going to just go right away. So there will be a direct notification when any changes are made to the file. You can tap on save, click on done, and that's it. So that's how you can set notifications on Google Sheet. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.